Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Shop Saturday, where we keep you updated on what's going on in the shop, new tools we get, projects we're working on. Today we have new tools or new equipment. We recently picked up the dust hopper, which is over there. I wanted to be able to hook it to my sander, so I had to go buy a hose, which is, we got the Craftsman wet dry vac replacement hose, 6 foot long. It comes with a thing so you can hook it to a 2.5 inch hose. And we also picked up this little dust thing so that we can get all the dust off of here. I've been waiting to finish sanding our table until I got something so I can get the dust off of here, because if you use the hose you end up scratching the paint off of it, and I don't want to make a bigger mess that I have to clean up, so I'd like to just clean up one mess. Let's get this thing hooked up. Perfect. Now we can hook our little scrubber brush. Now we can clean up the dust on the furniture. Yeah, this is the dust hopper. So far, very pleased with it. Look at the dust up here. So it's all cleaned up. You can see the spot I didn't do right here. So it should make it a lot easier to get the dust picked up. It's nothing worse than cleaning up dust. Let's go hook it to the sander and see how it works. So, same thing for me as downstairs. We got little dust particles on our little workbench here for our pocket hole, our Craig jig pocket hole maker. And now that we have this guy, it's going to be easy to clean that up. And I don't know how many of you guys have one of these Craig jigs, but I learned the hard way that you should read the instructions, because the first time I used it, I drilled a hole down this way and drilled a hole right through the jig. So that hole is not supposed to be there, but it's kind of a funny story, and I wish I'd been recording, because probably would have made a few good laughs for some people. Also, that little brush thing is going to be nice for when I get done sanding these marble boards. Now I can use that to get all the dust out of these little divots, because it's really hard to get the dust out. I've been using the indoor vacuum, but kind of fills the bag up pretty quick. You'd be surprised how much dust is actually on one of these boards. And now with the dust hopper, most of the dust should go in there, and should be a lot easier on all of us in the shop. And also, since the last time we had Shop Saturday, we had our little assembly table, which was from here to here, that we had sat up on the TV stands over there. Since then, I decided, I put it on our little folding table here. And since then, I decided I would just finish the end. I had these couple pieces of scrap laying around. So now we actually have a pretty decent sized workbench, if you would, or a work table, or assembly table. It should help me save Shelly's table from getting dinged and scratched and all that, because that is our good folding table. So now we got a little bit more of a work area, so I'm just gonna sand it down a little bit, just because it is OSB and it's not very smooth, and try to take the rough edges off of it. Get to use my new toys and hopefully keep my nose a lot cleaner. One thing is we're also gonna work on getting some safety equipment. I don't know, I would just like to know, as far as everybody's dust collection system, if you, what kind of setup do you have? Did you start out with something little, or did you home make yours? One thing we are gonna have to make is something so that this thing doesn't tip over, because it is pretty tippy. I may just put a weight in it, or I may get something so I can hook it to the shop back, so it kind of moves around as one piece. Just have to try to figure out how to do that. Hopefully pretty soon here we'll be making a few more things. I have gotten the wire ran for the outlets, and then hopefully we'll get the drywall up, which is right there all on the floor, and we got some more drywall there. So I need to get the outlets on this side, which I'm gonna hopefully get done today, and then I can get all the walls up. And then we also have to get the lights in the ceiling. I actually really like it being open like this so that you can see down if you need to, but we do have to get it finished, because it's going to get real hot up here, and then plus for next winter I want to be able to have heat up here. So hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Sorry we don't have a whole lot to show you, but it is a weekly episode, so make sure you subscribe so you can see what we do next week. And we'll start pounding some projects out. Thanks for watching. Oh. And always, we would like to know what kind of projects are you working on in your shop. Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you want to see the review of the dust topper, click the link that's right here. Click this video right there. It's a good one. And share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.